To start your first pop-up, simply click on Pages, then on Add New, and there just select the pop-up option. Here you'll see the different types of designs that we've created for pop-ups that you can use right away. If you don't want to use any of those, you can start with an empty pop-up by clicking on the blue button. So here are some of the amazing designs that we've created for you. Of course, you can filter it by the different categories on the side. Let's say that you want to create something of a newsletter. So if you click on it, it will be automatically right away added to your project. Now you can start styling it. This is a layout which has a background on the left side and the content on the right. You can click on change background to adjust the image that you have. Let's say this woman. In the content area, you can drag and drop any widget that you have as a normal page. So you can drag and drop anything. Let's say an image. Drag it, drop it, and select the image. That's it. How simple it is to adjust your pop-ups and create different types of layouts. Of course, you can delete anything and structure your content into columns if you have more and you want to organize it better. You can also create margins and stuff like that to your pop-ups to get the design that you want. Use the handle if you want to adjust the width of the pop-up itself. If you click on the styling option, you'll see the different design types that you have here for the layout, such as if you want to have an image on the left side, if you want to have it on the right, just click here. If you want to have an image on the top or the bottom, and if you don't want to have an image at all as part of the pop-up, but of course you can add it as a column or anywhere, any other way that you want. This is just an example. You can also change the background of your pop-up to anything from this setting here. Change the overlay color, which is the overlay of the pop-up, to anything that you want, and close button color, as well as the padding, which is the padding on the side of your content area. Just like that, you can organize your structure of the layout of your pop-up. If you click on pop-up settings, you can actually see where the actual pop-up will show on the page. So in this case, we have it in the middle of the screen. You can have the pop-up without an overlay on the bottom, just like this. Obviously, that's not very suitable for this type of design. Or you can have it on the right side, on the left side. You can have it on the whole page, as you can see, like this. Or have it on top or bottom as a different type of layout of a pop-up. For the example, let's have it in the middle. You can add name to the pop-ups, so you can easily manage and edit the different pop-ups. And then you have the pop-up show options. You can have the pop-up show after a certain time of the page. You have the pop-up show on page scroll. When somebody scrolls, let's say 15% of the page, they will see the pop-up. When somebody tries to exit, when they go and try to go out of the window, it will show the pop-up, and they can interact with it. And if you want to allow it on mobile devices, obviously you have the other options, such as how many times the pop-up should show. Is it one time, multiple times for each page, or don't show it anymore after one visit. And of course, the pop-up animation. We have some really amazing designs that you can choose from, such as the flip ones are very favorite of mine. So you have different fun and interesting animations you can choose from. And lastly, the pop-up, how pop-up can show. One way is with those pop-up options, and if you have, let's say, on a certain time of a page, you have to select on which page you want this pop-up to show. So from here you can select a photo or a regular page on which that pop-up will show after a certain time, of a certain scroll, or on exit intent. And if you don't want it to show it automatically, but you want to show it after an event, that's fine. Let's just add some name as test pop-up, for example, and save the pop-up. Now, if we go to any call to action, let's say this book appointment, when you go to the settings and click on the image on the link picker, now you have the option for pop-up. Here you will see all the different pop-up designs that you have created. Here are some that we didn't give a name to, but at the bottom we have the test pop-up, which is our pop-up that we just created, and you can click on select and save your page. Now when you preview it, you'll see that when you click on the button, the pop-up will show. So this is event-based pop-up that we made when somebody clicks on this button. Obviously you can add the pop-up to show on any event or automatically at the same time. So this is how simple it is to build any type of pop-up, and you can build as many as you want for different occasions, exit intents and stuff like that. That's it. It's very simple. Give it a try, and if you have any questions, just let us know.